Alapura is called the Venice of the East. Every street look almost the same. So Rohan, thank you so much for the picture. Thank you so much.
Everybody asked me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so.
Nani Cheta. Okay, thank you. So this is the exact backwater, and you can see boat houses out there. So guys, I met these beautiful friends out here in Alapura beach. So hello. So Tere Shruti. Anu. Aditya. Surya. Thank you so much, and I'm very happy to have you. Thank you. Finally, we are here in Alapi beach, and I'm feeling really energetic right here, and the sun is really hot, and it's oh god, ये क्या कर दिया मैंने। तो यहाँ पे पहुँच गए हम लोग और अभी ब्लॉग बना रहे हैं, but I don't have charge, guys. The charge is very less in my GoPro. I just have around 40%, and it's full of sand out here, and it's really hot because it's 12 p.m. The beach is beautiful, and many people came to this beach. Like I have seen Hopping Bug, then Traveling Monday, as well as the Food and Travel by Ibn Josh here in this place, and they have been making vlogs out here. So right now I have only 37% of charge left, and I don't know what to do because there is a lot of content to be made, but abhi charge ही नहीं है। मुझे लगता है like I should go to the restaurant and go and make vlogs out there, and also charge my GoPro out there. That's the best plan. Let's see if they provide charging facility in the restaurants out here, and if they provide, it will be a really amazing thing because the day is very long and I need to make more vlog, right? So enjoy the beauty of the Arabian Sea. तो अभी बीच पे आ तो गया है, लेकिन मुझे नहीं पता क्या करना है अभी. I mean basically I don't know what to do. I met some beautiful and amazing friends. Actually they asked me to take their video using their phone. They were standing here in the water, so I helped them, and then I just asked that, do you guys want to be in my vlogs? And they said yeah, definitely. So yes, they were in my vlog. I mean I just say, right, let it be boys or girls, people in Kerala are very friendly, and they're really friendly to anyone, to outsiders and to Malayalis, everyone, because I think the Malayalis are the best human beings out here. Because I mean I have to say it, I'm not saying it because I'm here in Kerala, but I have to say it because they have been kind and they have been understanding better than my own people. Because in my state, people fight in the name of politics, people fight in the name of tribe, or people fight just for some money. So I think in Kerala it is not like that. It's cold. I thought it would be hot, but the water is cold. It's the water, but it's really salty. Danger area. Don't take bath here. Obviously यहाँ पे बात नहीं करना चाहिए, हमें नहाना नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये सब है. I mean, you have this iron. I think this was a port or something, or jetty. What do we call it? Jetty or port? I don't know. Like, correct me. I mean, I am wrong in so many things. Like in the previous viral blog, you guys corrected me so many times because I made so many mistakes. Imagine how, like, you are like bathing there, you're swimming there, and then you hit one of these. You are dead. It's too sharp. You will be dead by once. It's fun playing with the water out here, and that's why some people are in the water. But I can't afford to do that because you know why? Because I don't want to get wet, and I have to travel around 35 kilometers, so I can't afford to be wet. As well as I have so many gadgets with me right now, so yeah, I don't want to be wet, and I don't bring any spare clothes as well. एंड चार्ज अभी बहुत कम है, 17% लेफ्ट। आई थिंक मैं अभी अपने फ़ोन से ब्लॉक करूँगा क्योंकि लाइक GoPro में चार्ज नहीं है, अभी 16% हो गया। सो डेफिनेटली आई हैव टू डू इट विद द फोन। थैंक यू आई एम टेकिंग इन माई ब्लॉग, ओके? यू हैव प्रॉब्लम?
No, I don't have.
Okay. So Rohan, thank you so much for the picture.
8, 9.
8.
Go.
So this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm following you. Okay. Thank you so much. So GoPro का चार्ज ख़त्म हो गया था, इसलिए इधर आना पड़ा चार्ज करने के लिए। तो भाई आपको ले सकता हूँ? तो भाई ने यहाँ पे चार्ज करवाया है, सो ही हेल्प मी a lot. So guys, if you are in Alapura, come here in Bachu's Shake Hub. Here you can have amazing shake, and I have tried a pineapple shake out here, and it's really nice. He is very friendly here. I mean, the employees are very friendly out here. So like, you must come here because like they're very friendly. I really thought that I will not be able to vlog any longer, but because of this brother, I could make this vlog using this GoPro. Otherwise, I was thinking that I will vlog using my phone, but we can still go and vlog out there in that part of the beach where there are boats, according to Rohan Burgess. I will give his Instagram link in the description because he have helped me a lot by taking the pictures using his DSLR. So let's go to the beach right now. So भैया दार्जिलिंग से है ना? सो भैया दार्जिलिंग से है और मैं त्रिपुरा से हूँ, तो हम लोग नॉर्थ ईस्ट से ही है। तो बहुत अच्छा लगा भाई से मिलके, और बहुत अच्छा है भाई क्योंकि उसने मुझे चार्ज करवाया। तो लाइक अभी ब्लॉग जारी है और हम लोग बीच पे जाके ब्लॉग करेगा अभी। चलो बीच में मिलते हैं, चलो भाई। Wow, what an experience! It's nice meeting him. So the brother was from Darjeeling, and Darjeeling is I think in West Bengal, but Darjeeling is more similar to Northeast India and to Sikkim, Nepal, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Mizoram, because they look like us, as well as some of their culture is same, I guess. I'm not so sure because I've not been to Darjeeling, but I plan to go to Darjeeling in the days to come. So let's hope that I would be able to go and explore all the Northeast Indian states and all the states in India. And right now I'm in South India, and I have explored 2 states in South India, that is in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. In Chennai, I have been to Chennai. I mean, yeah, in Tamil Nadu, I have been to Chennai. I just picked a seashell from here, from the beach. Is this? Lol, it's not a seashell. देखो, ये एक spoon है, plastic spoon. तो right now I have 67% charge. So काफ़ी होगा, हम लोग उधर जाके ब्लॉग बनाएंगे अभी। It's all sandy here. It's all sand here. I mean, after all, this is a beach. I did not see any foreigners today because obviously travel restrictions. No foreigners allowed in India now. I mean, because of Corona, you know. Obviously, for the safety of the foreigners and for the safety of the tourists, the tourism have been closed. But I think it will be renewed again because Kerala tourism is working hard by inviting most of the YouTubers from India, famous YouTubers like Nomadic Indian, Vishaka, Raidagar Vishaka, then Yatra Doktorai, Traveling Mondays, and what was that? Born to Ride. वो सब आया था केरला पे like last week to make vlog in collaboration with the Kerala tourism. My first trip. So I was watching Nomadic Indians vlog, and it was nice because obviously it will be nice because he is one of my inspiration and he have experience vlogging. And in that vlog he was telling that his first vlog was here in Kerala. I mean, not first, I mean his first growth on YouTube started from Kerala. I mean, after his Kerala vlog he was there in Munnar and in Alapura, here in Alapi, but he did not come to the beach. He went to the backwaters and he was riding the boat, and it was crazy and it was a nice vlog. So yes, Nomadic Indian began growing from Kerala. And you know what is the similarity between Nomadic Indian and me? That is, I also began growing my channel from Kerala because of the love of Malayali people, because of the love of you all guys, because most of you are from Kerala and I know many of you are from other states as well. So thank you guys if you are not from Kerala, but still if you're subscribed to me and my channel, thank you so much. And also my cousins have subscribed to this channel, so thank you guys, thank you everyone. And another thing about Nomadic Indian is that he is following me on Instagram. So yay, आपका भाई famous है, क्योंकि like India's most famous travel blogger is following me. It is Nomadic Indian is following me on Instagram, so it's a big thing for me. I scream out of happiness the day Nomadic Indian followed me on my Instagram, and I think Nomadic Indian is the most humble YouTuber in India. So back to the blogging. No! No! I'm wet. It feels nice to meet the Arabian Sea, but my jeans is wet. It will be difficult for me to walk with this wet jeans. But yet, I feel really happy to be here and to be meeting the Arabian Sea after so many days, after a year exactly. And I love Alapura, and I love the people of Alapura and the friendly people here. Holy moly guys, you must be wondering why I'm dressing up like English maker. If you know who is English maker, if you are from Northeast India, you will know who is English maker. He is a very famous YouTuber from Northeast, and he make comedy videos and vlogs in a funny way. So I might be looking like him because he always uses masks and he never shows his face, or sometimes he use glasses and masks and cover his face. So I'm doing the same thing right now. I guess you're wondering why I'm doing it. It's because the sun is very bright here, and my skin is northeastern skin, not South Indian skin, and I don't have beards, and because of that I get sunburn easily. I usually get sunburn when I go out of my hostel or of my college building, and when I used to be doing my parade in my NCC, I used to get sunburn and my entire face is to burn and it become red, and sometimes the skin come out. And if I use marks, right, only the marks area remain white and the other part become either black or red. So that's the reason why I thought I'll take a precaution. Right now I'm planning to go there in the boats, so that I can take a good thumbnail out there, and so that I can make a good vlog as well. So let's go guys. I came so far from that port or jetty, I guess, from that restaurant as well, but let's go. We have to go to the boat. So guys, I have reached this place. I wanted to come to this place because this place is far from public and it has these beautiful boats out here. But दिक्कत ये है कि यहाँ पे there are dogs out there and मुझे डर है कि वो लोग मुझे काट लेगा, तो पता नहीं क्या होगा. There are dogs, but let's see if I can take a picture here with this dog standing here. It will be difficult, but let's try. I think this will be okay for the thumbnail. I don't know. So these are the boats, and these boats are used by the fishermen of this region to catch fish, and these boats go to the ocean. And you can see there are so many more boats out there, and some boats are out there in the ocean, in the Arabian Sea. And yeah, that's how it is. And I don't know much more about that, and I google it actually. I don't have to google about this, but I google about Alapura, but there is nothing much in the Wikipedia, so I don't know much about this place. I only know that it is a very famous tourist destination and a famous beach, and that's all I know, and I don't know anything else. And I'm sorry guys, I'm very weak in geography and history because I'm not a geography and history student. I'm a botanist, so I know about plants, and that too not perfect. So I think this is it guys. I think it's time to end the Arabian Sea vlog or the Alapura vlog here, because I just have 33% just remaining. Man, this GoPro doesn't last much. I mean, its charge goes like in an instant, it just go. So it's really bad. GoPro, please fix this. We love you, GoPro. I mean, this kind of contents can be made only using GoPro, but GoPro, the battery charge drains so fast. So I think GoPro should fix that in the coming days, because there will be more vloggers coming in future and they need the best equipment for vlogging, and GoPro is the best according to me if you deal with the battery life. So that's it for now, guys. I think I'm going to leave the ocean. It's very hot here. It's nice in the beach during the evening time, but now it is noon. I'm sure that I will get sunburn. I'll be showing you guys that sunburn in the next vlog. Maybe it will be coming on next Wednesday. Today it is Wednesday, and today I have uploaded a video. I mean, I uploaded a video earlier, but today it was live. It premiered today. So this vlog will be coming on Sunday, because I promise you guys to be uploading 2 videos every day on Sunday and Wednesday. So yes, it is coming on Sunday, this video. So see you guys in the road. It's very hot here, yeah. So guys, right now I'm still here in the Alapura beach, and I was so tired, so I just thought of taking some rest. So I'm sitting here, and this place have a very nice vibe, because people here are chilling, and I cannot show them because their privacy. So yeah, these trees here are giving us shade. It helps us to rest here and enjoy the breeze from the Arabian Sea, from the ocean. It's coming, so it's really nice. And the other reason why I'm here is because I play Pokemon Go. So there's a gym here, and we can catch a lot of Pokemon here in this gym, and we can collect a lot of things from this gym. So I got another Pokemon, so let's catch the Pokemon. See you after I catch the Pokemon. So this is the Pokemon here. This is a new Pokemon for me. I don't know this Pokemon. I have 2 reasons to be here. Like, one is to rest, and the other reason is to catch these Pokemons. So this is the Pokestop, and I need to collect some Pokeballs and things. Got it. So guys, there is the famous Alapura flyover. So from Nalapi beach to Alapura town, the bus charge is around 10 rupees, I guess. You have to just pay 10 rupees, and then you can reach to the private bus stand on the Alapura. So this is the private bus stand here in Alapura. So right now we have to go to the KSRTC bus stand, and then we can go to Chengmasari. Look at these water bodies. I think, if I'm not wrong, Alapura is called the Venice of the East. I don't know. Let me check my facts, because I might not be correct. I may be wrong sometimes. Chankala Bridge. So guys, I was right about it. Alapura is called the Venice of the East, and it was named that by the Viceroy of India during the British period. And Alapura was named the cleanest city in India, and I got those information from Wikipedia. I'm not that brilliant, you know. I got all the information from Wikipedia or Google. So yes, that's all about it. And yes, I think Alapura is one of the city which is planned very well, and every street look almost the same, because it have these backwaters and this bridge and same kind of architecture and so on. So it looks kind of similar everywhere you go. So that's it. I mean, that's all I know about Alapura, and there are many more things, I mean, interesting and fascinating things about Alapura, but I don't know about them, because I was lazy to do research about that. And also, you know, I don't have time to do research because I had this exam coming soon, so I was preparing for the exam, and I don't have much time to like prepare for this vlog. So guys, I'm sorry. Maybe next time I will give more informative vlog which will help you guys. So these are the boats out here, and we can take one of these and go to the backwaters, and it will be quite interesting, but not today, not today. Next time, obviously next time, because I have friends from Alapura. I will tell them to take me to one of those boat houses and explore the backwaters of Kerala once again. And I hope I will do that before I return to Northeast India and after my semester exam. Guys, right now I just realized that I have lost my road, and that's why now I have to Google where is Alapura KSRTC bus stand. Alapura KSRTC bus stand. So I have to on a navigation and then go to the bus stand because I'm lost right now. Yeah, obviously I have come to Alapura so many times, but I always get confused in terms of road. So the KSRTC bus stand is around 12 minutes from here, from my location, and it's about 1 kilometer far. Oh, it's straight. I just have to go straight this way, and then we will reach there. And I'm sorry guys, the surge is very less in this GoPro. I just have 5% remaining, so I think I will have to like continue the vlog using my smartphone and not the GoPro. So bye for now, and let's go. I mean, I will try to vlog as long as I can, and it's just straight road. We have to just go straight, and then we will reach to the bus stand. So let's go. And I think let's end the vlog here. I don't know if I'll be vlogging more or not after reaching my hostel, or I'm really vlogging using my smartphone. But for now, it is the end of the vlog. So guys, if you like this vlog, please leave a like and leave a comment. And if you really like this vlog, please subscribe the channel and please share the video. And if you don't subscribe to the channel, I will hack your Instagram account. Bye.
Nuhulia tangi ching no chuka saka afa Bia langsa goha nai di tansa nya dofa Lama rimi kasle tongo komor mani lama wote kisil sinai sabono Gosi sidi jaya no Ungsa pano kanya chugya tangi koke kotor Baitang nike hamya nukya bunyi bagai botor Masing kesang satung dibor wati wanai kotor Bubui kong na sake bui bai hinsak sinai kobor